Hindi, pero kasi nakwento na natin yung sa pagkanta, no? Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi natin mapakinggan ang galing ni Ena
Ay,
sa pagkanta. Kaya mga kahit bahay palakpakan para kay Ena
ay,
yan!
ay. Wait lang po. Ay, pagpasensyahan niyo na po, medyo paus ako ngayon.
Okay lang yan. Paka pa rin, girl.
Kaya mo yan. When I was young, I would listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When the day was in the dawn, such a touch, how I wonder where they are. But turn back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every sing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part when it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry just like before. It's yesterday once more.
Yes!
Ayan, hanggang doon na lang po.